Hello everyone, this is Madhavi Karmodi. In this lecture we will discuss about tries. So first of all, the word try is derived from the word retrieval. Okay, so if you want to retrieve some word or if you want to store some word in the data structure, the try is one of the best data structure for storing the strings. Let us see what are the categories of the tries. So first of all, try is a tree data structure and it is used to store some set of strings. So I hope you people know about the tree terminology. What is a root node, what is an internal node, and what is the height of the tree, and what is a path of a tree, right? So after constructing the trie with a set of strings, each and every path represents one string. From root node to leaf node, there will be one string. Each path will refers the one string. Now, while constructing these tries, always the root node should be empty. You should not store any character or any letter in the root node position. And now next position onwards or next level onwards, we will store the alphabets or letters of the strings in the nodes. First of all, before seeing how to construct the trie, let me explain what are the categories of the tries. There are three types of tries are there mainly. So actually there are a lot of categories of tries are there, but mainly there are three categories. The first one is standard tries. And second one is compressed tries. And third one, suffix tries. All these three types of tries, we will use it for storing the strings only. So in the dictionary also, if you want to search an element or if you want to search for a string, then how we will search for a string in the dictionary? First of all, we will take a first letter, then based upon the first letter, then we will search it in the dictionary. Suppose if the first letter is not, with that first letter, definitely we will see multiple words, right? Then we will see second character. First, based upon first two characters, then we will search. Like that, we will optimize the search process in the dictionary. So these tries are best examples for implementing the dictionary kind of thing. Let us see one example data structure or one example on standard tries. How to construct the standard tries with the given set of strings. Let us see one example on standard tries. Just assume that I have a set of strings. Here my strings are bear, bell, big, bug, stop and stock. Suppose for these strings I want to construct a trie. So just now I told you, initially the root node doesn't have any alphabet. We should not store anything inside the root node. And next level onwards, we need to store the alphabets of the strings. Now the first string in the set is bear. Let us see how to store that bear string in the trie. The first character we will store in the first node, B, then next E, then A, then R, right? The next string is bell. In this bell, first we have to store B, but already here we have a node with the letter B. So no need to use or no need to construct one more node with the for B. Just reuse that B, and for E also there is a node. BE, this is a common prefix, so no need to construct one more node with B and E. Okay, so here directly attach L to E and then L. So this is the word bell. Now next string is big. Okay, so here already we have a node with a B. Then store I, there is no node with I. So attach I node with B, then G. and next string is bug. So here there is no word, here we have a letter with B, but there is no nodes with the prefix BU. So construct the U node for U and construct the node for G. So this is the string for bug. Now next string is stop. So first letter in the stop is S. Here in our tree there is no node with S. So take one node with S, then first second letter is T, then O, then P. Stop. Now next string is stop. So in this stop also this word also starts with the letters S. Already we have a node with S. Then second letter is T, and in that word in previous word also second letter is T. So no need to create one more node. First two letters are already matched. Now next letter is O, and O is also matched here. Now next letter is C, but here the C is not matched. So S, T, O, from here onwards you can attach the node for C, then K. So this is the word for stock. So if you observe here in a tries, whatever try it is, it may be a standard try or compressed try or suffix try, you should not store any letter in the root position. Okay, and next level onwards you should store the letters. Now see, this is the root node and this is the leaf node. From root node to leaf node, if you see, it forms or it stores one string. And here this is a one more path from root node to leaf node, and this path represent the word bell, and this path represent the word big, and this path represents the word bug. Okay, here from root node to leaf node, that entire path represents one string in a set. So this is the way to construct the standard try. And one more important thing you have to note here is, whenever there is a word, okay, that complete word should not be a prefix for another word. Just assume here, suppose I have a word like B, E, B, and I have one more word like begin, B, G, I, N. Okay, here B, E is one word, B, E, G, I, N is one word. If you are constructing try for one string, that complete string should not be the prefix for another string. Okay, so here if you observe, BE is completely prefix for another word. So this should not be allowed, because here if you write, the word should not end with the leaf node. So here BE is the one word. Here it is, the leaf node is E, but this leaf node we are using for another word. Okay, so in this example, after E we have two more nodes. So this is allowed, but this is not allowed. So one complete word should not be the prefix for second word. One word, few letters will become prefixes for second word, but complete word should not be the prefix for next word. So this is the important point we need to remember while constructing the standard tries. Suppose if there are some words like this, we should ignore those words, because anyway here we can get that word, so we should ignore those words. So this is the way to construct the standard try. Let us see the space complexity, how much memory that will be allocated for this try in the memory. So the worst case, so in worst case, how many letters are there in the string? Okay, suppose if you have two words in the set, each word is having 3 letters. That means totally 6 letters will be there in 2 strings. So in worst case, 6 nodes plus 1 root node. So 7 nodes will be there in the try. So that is the worst case time complexity. Suppose if n nodes are there in the set. If n alphabets are there in your strings, then order of n will be the worst case time complexity, or sorry, worst case space complexity for the standard trace. So this is all about standard trace. We'll see the next concept in the next video on compressed trace.